Your long-distance drive can turn stressful fast when your transmission suddenly starts acting strange. If your vehicle shifts hard, hesitates before engaging, or keeps hunting between gears on the highway, your transmission control module, also called the TCM, may be starting to fail. The tricky part is that TCM problems do not always show up during short city drives. Many faults appear after 45 minutes to an hour of highway driving when heat builds up around the transmission and electronics. As internal temperatures rise, weak circuit board connections, tired solder joints, and electrical components can start losing contact. That is when the warning signs begin. Sign number 1. Shift shocks. If your vehicle suddenly jerks or bangs into gear after driving for a while, the TCM may not be controlling shift timing properly. Sign number 2. Delayed engagement. You press the accelerator to overtake, but the transmission hesitates before responding. This delay can feel like the vehicle is thinking before it moves. Sign number 3. Gear hunting. Your transmission keeps shifting up and down between gears, especially at steady highway speeds. This can happen when the TCM struggles to process real-time speed sensor data. Sign number 4. Communication errors. Modern vehicles rely on sensor messages through the CAN bus system. When heat causes communication drops, scanners may show network-related U-codes. Sign number 5. Limp mode. If the system detects a serious fault, the vehicle may lock into one gear to protect the transmission from major damage. You may lose manual shifting, see warning lights, or feel reduced power. If this happens on the road, stay calm, avoid hard acceleration, signal safely, and move toward the shoulder or a safe stopping area. A failing TCM can sometimes look like a bad sensor or even a mechanical transmission problem. That is why proper diagnostics matter. Live data testing, voltage checks, heat-related fault monitoring, and scanner readings can help separate hardware fatigue from a simple sensor failure. Catching these signs early can help you avoid unnecessary rebuilds, expensive repairs, and sudden breakdowns during long drives. So if your transmission only acts up after the vehicle gets hot, do not ignore it. The problem may be electrical, heat-related, and coming from the transmission control module